Sellers, I have 4 do-it-yourself jobs that I don't want you doing anymore. I want you to stop. Let's discuss. The first one is electrical. Don't do that. If you're thinking to yourself, hey, I'm going to hang this ceiling fan, I'm going to replace these light fixtures, don't do it. And the reason why I say don't do it is because you could hurt yourself. You can get electrocuted or you can cause some damage to your home overall. Don't do it. The second thing is plumbing. Maybe you're thinking to yourself, hey, I'm going to fix this pipe. I'm going to, put in a new kitchen sink or, put in a new toilet. If you don't have any experience in doing that, don't do it, because guess what? You can have a huge issue with water leaks or flooding. Don't do it. The third thing is roofing. Do not get on that roof trying to repair shingles, or don't try to improve your deck, extending the deck or installing a new deck. Don't do that. That is dangerous. You can hurt yourself, and also you can cause more damage to your roof. Don't do it. Lastly, the fourth thing, the landscaping, the hardscaping. I know that you feel creative and you want to do some things, but please be careful with that, because guess what? You can cause there to be a lot of improper drainage. And so now we're having water building up, and that can cause issues with, erosion as well as damages to your actual dwelling. Don't do it. So listen, I don't want to dampen your creativity or your eagerness to be someone who's a self-starter and want to get things done, or maybe even save money. But guess what? You can do more damage, and then you're not really saving money, because now you have to do damage control. And so now you got to pay a professional eventually to come in and fix what you did wrong and make the improvements that you wanted to do in the first place. So just don't do it. Those are 4 do-it-yourself jobs that I don't want you doing anymore. I want you to call, what I always say, a subject matter expert to handle those things for you. All right? Good luck.